bottles of bubbles. Girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Find myself all of my favorites.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, Val, and today I'm going to do a little review on this hair that I'm rocking right now. Ma'am, this is a blonde wig. Yes, this is a blonde wig on me, a dark-skinned girl. And we are doing the darn thing. Do you see this? Do you see this color, this shine? And guess what? Guess what? It's synthetic. Is a synthetic or is it human blend premium? I don't know. I just know it's synthetic hair and I got it for only $30 on Amazon. So I forgot to mention that I'm doing a really quick install. It's not detailed or anything, but yeah. Okay, bye. This is the Dashley Unit 2 in T4 Ash Blonde, and I ordered it I think last week, and shipping was a little more than estimated or whatever. It took about a whole week to get here and I had to go to the post office myself to pick it up. But I think that's just like, I have really bad luck when it comes to shipping because this is like a constant thing for me not to receive packages on time. And yeah, but anyways, back to this hair. I am loving this hair right now. You guys look at this and you can tell it's kind of blunt. The edges are kind of blunt because it was really long. It was like right here on me and I'm like 5'9", like, so that was really long for me, and I just preferred like medium length hair instead of long, you know. And this just like, I love this hair so much. It is so bouncy, and oh my, you guys, you see this? Like, I never thought that I could rock blonde hair, and girl, I'm rocking it, period. Okay, the blonde wig that I really wanted is called Kimani. I think you guys have heard of it. If you've been looking for blonde hair for a while, you know this is the wig to get for dark skinned people. Kimani wig, I forgot the name. I think the name of the color is Buttery Blonde. That blonde looks so good. So good. And I've been looking at the wig for a few months now, and it's been sold out for a few months now, and I was so mad, but my head would not let me get off of wanting blonde hair, so I had to get something to replace it. And this is nowhere near the color of that other wig. That wig was such a beautiful blonde color, but this, I was just like, let me take a risk and do ash blonde. I've never done blonde hair, blonde weave, never actually gone for like fully blonde hair, so this is very new for me and I love it. Like, I cannot get over myself. Like, who is this? I don't know what to call this. Like, I don't know what to call myself right now. Like, this is my, like, I don't know, who is this? Like, this is my spirit animal. I don't have a name for her yet. Like, what do you guys think? Like, what should I name this wig? What should I name this person that I am with this wig on? This is not Val, this is somebody else. I don't know who it is, but I'm gonna find a name for her because she is giving me so much life, you guys. I love it. Anyways, this wig cost I think $30, and it was like maybe $8 shipping, and I bought it on Amazon. It wasn't on Prime, even though all the other hair in this collection was on Prime. This was not on Prime, and yeah, I still really love it. Like, now the hair does come parted, like it has a middle part, I think, but you can like center it however you want. And I'm gonna try to, because I like hid the parting. Basically the parting wasn't bad or anything, I just preferred how it looked when there was no part. I'm really trying to find the part for you guys. Okay, this is the part. Let me comb this. Yeah, this is the original parting that it came with, and it's not bad. I just don't prefer it, and you could wear this like middle part or side part. Like, I prefer side part because I just think wigs just look way better on me side parted. But yeah, with the part, it doesn't look bad at all. I just preferred how it looked like with no part or whatever, so that's why I have this going on. It just looks more natural to me, even though you can clearly tell this is not my natural hair. Clearly it looks way better. Is that how it was? I don't know. Oh, I've messed it up. Okay, I think that's how it was. I think that's how it was. I've only had this hair in for about like 2 hours at the most. I can't really tell you like all the specs about it because this is my first time wearing it, so I can't really tell you if it's like it tangles really fast or anything like that. I can only tell you what my initial reviews are, and it doesn't tangle. I've not had any tangling so far, but I think it's because I cut it. It's kind of looser. I think if it was longer, it would tangle a lot more in the back, but it's not tangling so far. One thing is that it does shed. Like, this isn't everything, this is not everything, but it kind of does shed. Like, when I first took it out of the box and I combed through it, it was giving me some hair, you know, it was giving me some fallout or whatever, but it's okay. All hair sheds, especially synthetic units, you know, so I don't mind that. And I know that since I cut it, it's going to shed even more because, you know, everything is not intact anymore, so I'm kind of prepared for the shedding. I just don't want my floor to be looking like Barbie hair all over the floor, so I really hope it doesn't shed that much. I know it's going to, like it has already, like I said, but this is not a lot. Yeah, I'm really happy about the synthetic unit, and I can't wait to rock it some more. I can't wait to rock it outside the house. I just look like a completely different person, and I am loving this, you guys. In my video, I tried to make it look really natural so that, like, you know, it doesn't look too synthetic-y, too wiggy or whatever. So I hope I did a good job of that. I hope it looks good, not just from my point of view. I hope it looks good from, you know, anybody that's looking at me's point of view. So yeah, this is the hair, and yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed. And if you are dark skinned like me, girl, you need to get this wig, or you need to get a blonde wig in general. We need to break that barrier of we can't wear bright colors, because do you see this? Do you see this? And the thing about wearing blonde hair or any bright colored hair as a dark skinned person is you have to tint the roots, and I'm glad this came already tinted because I don't know how to tint anything. So just make sure that you tint the roots so it looks really natural, because if it's just like suddenly blonde hair, that's not my cup of tea. That's other people's cup of tea, but that doesn't look even or natural or good to me in general. So I'm really glad that the roots came, like, you know, darkened already. It came brown, so that's what I really like about this hair. It looks really natural when the roots are dark, basically. But yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and you go get this wig, girl, because it was only $30. You know, get into it. Or was it 25? It was between $25 to $30 plus shipping or whatever. So yeah, if you love this hair color, this is ash blonde, like I said. If you love this T4 ash blonde hair color, get into it. If you're dark skin and you want to like rock some new hair, rock some new color, this is the perfect wig for you. Anyways, you guys, that is it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed, and you go get this wig yourself, because, like, girl, you need this in your life. Do you see this? Do you see this? Anyways, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed my review and what I had to say about it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Au revoir. Mwah. This is a public service announcement. Like, if you would like to take me out, please take me out, because why do I look good right now and all I'm gonna do is get in bed and watch Netflix on a Friday night? Like, this does not deserve to go to bed right now. Do you get what I mean? Like,